see. Oh, now it's... Wait, it's still Nitro. But BWP is coming closer. And now in 6, Nani? Just because I'm not playing. Insta rage quit. Aww. Daisuki desu, Don-san. The guy got tornaded and got DC'd. Okay. Can't wait to see it. Yeah, the question is how do I connect those two accounts? I still don't really know. Maybe I will just like repost it in my stories or whatsoever. But it was great to see you on. Hope you catch you again. Have a great stream. See ya, baby Fire Blaster. So the problem is like to stay on theme in Instagram is pretty hard, to be honest. And what's happening? Dawn and the guy told me. Okay, I never disconnect. Well, this time the disconnect was kind of on my side. I don't know how it happened. Message from devs, worst Duel room ever. This is just jelly. That's all. Okay. And now he goes Luna Light into my face. You're winning the victories but not winning the points with the DCs? Ah, okay. So then this is Ryuzaki guy, right? Now he goes perk. Possible. I mean, this will be the last match anyway. Who DC? Yes. So the Ryuzaki guy DC'd against me, so I won against him, but I didn't pay attention to my points. Did they go up or not? This guy's playing strange E-Saber deck. Okay. I actually didn't pay attention. Did the points go up or not? No idea. Thanks for the follow. La Chulans. But I don't think that he's like one of the last players who made it. When you win by DC on Duel Room, you don't get the points. Ah, okay, that's what he's saying. I see, I see, I see. Welcome, Lachulans. How are you, man? What the fuck? Oh, okay, I see. Ooh, thanks for the Prime sub. Thanks a lot for the Prime sub, man. Ooh, this is a God hand. Let's go. Welcome, Airhaplox. Daimler FTW. Ha! Ha! Ha ha ha. Wie habt ihr mich denn gefunden? Oh wait, I don't need that one. Ah, okay, I actually need a merchant. I was wrong. Okay, give me something different.
Denied.
What the? And now we give him Destiny Draw. I don't want to give him Destiny Draw. I don't want to give him Destiny Draw. Destiny Draw is scary as frick. Who exposed my decklist and said idea was playing? Where's my sub? Nani? Daimler Discord? Seit wann funktioniert denn der Link da wieder? Ich dachte der Now Live Bot ist kaputt seit ewig. Der ist doch irgendwann einfach abgeschaltet worden, weil es da rechtliche Schwierigkeiten gab. Danach konnte ich es nicht mehr wiederherstellen. Shell set? I don't think it's a shell. It's Element Sabers. It's going to be like a Lapula, I'm pretty sure. But even if it's a Lapula, we don't care. We just ram a Sam Destroyer into it. Oh wait, actually I don't have to. I can't put it face up. Genius. We genius. Nee, hab geschaut, wer online ist und dann stand, dass du streamst. Ah, okay. Ja, wir hatten ja früher mal so einen Now-Live-Bot gehabt, das war echt total cool. Und dann ist der Now-Live-Bot leider irgendwie durch rechtliche Schwierigkeiten, TOS, was auch immer, abgeschaltet worden. Und seitdem haben wir nichts Vergleichbares mehr gefunden. Also ich habe auch nach dem Manuel nie, also den Reakon habe ich nie mehr gefragt, das irgendwie wieder herzurichten über Webhook. Das geht auch. Das habe ich auf meinen eigenen Discord so eingestellt. Oh my god, you're right. How did you know that this was actually a shell, man? Why do you play a shell in an element saber deck? Okay, now he has actually Destiny Draw. I'm in troubles. Oh, this is bad. He has Destiny Draw. Damn Destiny Draw. Focaccio, his deck is super weird. Okay, but usually you play Element Sabers without Volcanic Shell, and you don't play it with Destiny Draw. It's kinda, yeah, it's a weird mixture, it's true. Carlos laughing his ass off, I see so. Ja. Also für AHA-Vlogs, ich glaube, wir sind jetzt ziemlich nah dran, Twitch-Partner zu werden. Ich weiß immer noch nicht, warum es nicht geklappt hat. Twitch wollte mich bisher einfach noch nicht haben, sagen wir es so. And don't play Fusion Reverse or Wall of D, this deck is unpredictable. Well, the thing is, like, I have nothing to negate. I just have to wait for him to summon. That's all I can do. Okay, and the palace is not going to help me either. I think he's afraid, actually.
Nope.
I think he wants to go Lapula first. Da ist ja nicht so viel los da, also im Discord. Ja, also ich kann ja auch nicht mehr machen, außer halt den Discord aussetzen und dann das alles einrichten, wie es sich gehört. Anschließend sind die Leute dann halt immer selber dafür verantwortlich, ne? And now I can't get rid of the Lapula anymore. This is bad. Oh, now he was summoned from hand. This is bad. He will summon the Alistair from hand and then recycle it. Yeah, here goes the Purgatrio. The Elemental Palace is my problem. Without the Palace, he could negate. But with the Palace, he can negate. And I'm in big shittles. Yeah, I need to stop him. It's the only way. Yeah, that's what I said. With the Pula and the Palace is really bad for me. Ouch. GG. GG. Effect negated. What are you doing? Ah! Ah! This card! Okay. Literally, heart of the cards. Show me what you've got.
He's good. He knows every aspect of this game. But my grandpa put all his gaming knowledge, his whole heart, into assembling this deck. I have to believe that it holds some secret strategy.
Heart of the cards got nothing for me. Where's your sub? I'm waiting. This is so sad. Earth the dirt. We dead. We dead. Yeah. The 7 minutes were over 4 minutes. Does this duel still count? Yeah. Ja klar, das stimmt, aber sind halt im Konsum ein bisschen wenig da unterwegs. Hm? Verstehe ich nicht, was du meinst, Aha-Blogs. Also wie schon gesagt, der Discord ist da. Die Leute sind selbst dafür verantwortlich, ob sie da miteinander kommunizieren wollen oder spielen. Jedes Mal, wenn wir ein 100er Members vollkriegen, veranstalte ich normalerweise was. Jetzt im Covid ging das einfach nicht, weil wir uns nicht versammeln durften. Oh, here's a freedom at life room for whatever reason. Oh no, I don't have enough life points to use this. Ja. Pika Emperor, why to go die? Good luck nach Baden-Württemberg. Willkommen, Andre. Ist das Legend? Ne, wir machen gerade Duel Room. Wir haben gerade Point Duel Room gemacht. A lot of fun is a little room there. I didn't win anymore. It was really cool to have participated. Thanks a lot, Landa. Why did you DC versus me? Nani. You get heart of the cards. I get what? Who's actually that real Zaki guy? I'd like to know. Chest of Guyver, Heart of the Cards. Yeah, that's true. Hab gerade auf Legend 3 mit Karakuri geklappt. Dreimal darfst du raten, womit. Kein Plan. Yo, bot, you should not actually mess with the guy with the rod because he can just ban you and then you're just gone. Just gone. Okay, results are in. Let me see. So Night Shroud is actually the winner of this. I don't know who BWP is though. With 4k points. And then there's Dawn. Okay, Aichan got farmed. Alright, Luxter.